What is a dividend payout ratio? The dividend payout ratio shows how much of a company's profits are being returned to shareholders as dividends, rather than kept to reinvest in the business. In other words, it's the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. The formula is simple. Dividend payout ratio equals dividends per share divided by earnings per share, or EPS. Why does it matter? This ratio helps investors understand how sustainable a company's dividend payments are, potentially. A lower payout ratio means the company is keeping more of its profits for growth, while still rewarding shareholders. A higher ratio means most of the profits are being paid out, which can be attractive in the short term but might be harder to maintain if earnings fall. The ratio also has a useful counterpart, the retention ratio, which measures how much profit the company keeps. Together they give a fuller picture of how a business balances rewarding shareholders today with investing for the future. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company earns £1 per share in profits over the year. It decides to pay 40 pence of that as a dividend. To find the payout ratio, you divide the dividend, 0.40, by the earnings, 1.00. That equals 0.40 or 40%. This means the company is giving 40% of its profits back to shareholders and keeping 60% to reinvest in the business. If another company earned the same £1 but paid 90 pence as dividends, its payout ratio would be 90%, much higher and perhaps less flexible in tough times. Over several years, investors often track whether the payout ratio is steady, rising, or falling. A stable ratio suggests reliability, but if the percentage climbs too high, it might signal that the company is stretching itself. What else should you know? There isn't a single right payout ratio. Some mature, steady companies, such as utilities or telecoms, may have higher ratios because they don't need to reinvest heavily. Younger, fast-growing companies usually keep the ratio low or even pay no dividends at all, so they can plough profits back into expansion. A ratio above 100% means the company is paying out more than it actually earned, which is usually a red flag because it can't be sustained at that same level for long. Either the company needs to increase its profits or reduce the dividend. Comparing payout ratios across companies in the same industry is often more useful than looking at the number in isolation, because what looks high in one sector may be perfectly normal in another. To sum it all up, the dividend payout ratio measures what percentage of profits a company pays out as dividends. It's a quick way to see how generous and how sustainable a company's dividends might be. Low ratios can signal room for growth, while very high ratios may point to risks. Used alongside dividend yield, industry comparisons, and trends over time, it gives a clearer picture of how reliable an income stock really is. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.